Hello, welcome again to Easy Tech. In this short video, I am going to show you how to make $3,000 using ChatGPT and other tools that I am going to show you step by steps within the next 3 months. Mind you, this is not a get rich screen, but once these steps are followed consistently, I assure you, you are going to start making $3,000 within the next 3 months. With all that being said, let's go. If you don't know about ChatGPT, it's an interactive AI that you can use for interaction and also help you aid you some capability. If you don't watch my previous video on where I talked about more on ChatGPT, you can go back and watch it, then come back to this video to continue. Okay, once you have watched that video, on that video I explain step by step how to sign up for first time users or how to log in or for returning users. So I'm currently logged into my ChatGPT dashboard. Once you're logged in, we now start the process. So basically we need two websites. The first one is the ChatGPT once you log into your dashboard, and the second one is this website durable.co. Okay, this is a website that helps you to generate or design a website for free within seconds. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create the website. After creating it, then you use ChatGPT to start writing important and meaningful blogs. I'm going to show you step by step how to customize your search engine optimization so that you can be writing on things that are trending, and within the shortest period you will see the result. So with that being said, if you are new to this website, all you need to do is to either click on generate website, or you can go here to log in and sign up. So then you click on generate website. Okay, now it's asking me to get started. Since I've already clicked on it, I've already signed up before. If you're new, it automatically asks you to sign up. It's now giving an estimate of my location, but if that's not your location, you can change your location here and save it. Okay, you can change your location here and save it. Then you cannot type the name of your business. What type of business are you building? Okay, we have several businesses. It gives options. These are some of the businesses. Depending on the type of business you want to start, you can now choose from these options. For the sake of this video, we are going to choose digital marketing. Okay, so click on digital marketing and you click on next. Once you click on it, it now say what's the name of your business. So you can choose a name, okay, from it. So yes, is Astalos. Astalos. Okay, so you once you choose a specific name, you click on next, log in. But if not, it will now ask you to sign up. So it's generating the website, as you can see, generating beautiful heroes, banners, and all the rest. So finish doing all the works. Your website is ready. We are done with the first job. So let's see it. Let's see our website. So this is the website. This is a basic look of the website within seconds. What this has done, it has given you a skeletal aspect of your website. So but you can choose to customize it to a better looking one. And should in case you need any help, you can reach out to me through my email or through the link on the YouTube, and I will be grateful to assist. So this is currently my country. It's now asking me to either sign up or log in. Okay, I have signed up before. This can be annoying sometimes, but we'll just have to hold on and finish it. Motorcycles. Okay, I think we have here. We also have here. So let me verify. I think this will go. Let's wait for it to come. So we are now in. Okay, so you can choose to publish the website as it is, or you can do some basic customizations. Okay, so let's say for a start, you can add sessions here. From here you can add sessions. So once you click on add session, it will now ask you to add a banner, text engagement, quotes, testimony, videos, gallery. So whatever thing you want to add, you can add. So it's just some basic customization that you can do. For example, if you want to add a banner here, click on banner. It will now generate a specific template where we can add the banner. Okay, This is just the basic aspect. So we just need to be faster and finish. So you can see the banner it has added. So you can choose to edit it from here. So once you click from here, you can now write this thing. That is from here. This is for this one. You just relate it. I'm just trying to be fast because of time, so this video won't be much longer. But on your own time, you can calm down and write everything about your business. Okay. Now this is the header. This header here. Then you can add contacts. This is the contact here. This contact here. External link. So if you want, what this external links means that if you want them, once they click, they will they will be taken to a contact that they can contact you, maybe a web form or a Google form that they can use to fill information to contact you. So to get more information about your business. So that is what you do here. You can copy the link and paste the link here. Okay, then you click this and aside so that when you click it, it will open a new page. It will not open on this current page. Okay, let me close it back. But that's what it literally means. So you can choose to align it based on where position you want it to be, either as it is on the left hand side, or you want it to be in the middle as it is attached to the middle, or you want it to be at this right part. So whichever way you want it to be, you just click it and automatically it will be added. But I prefer this other side. I prefer this other side. Okay. So once you're done with that, this is the background image under. You can choose to change the image. Okay, you click on replace and automatically it will take you to your desktop. You can upload from here or from your library. Okay. Okay, let's try and change. Let's see and go with this. I see we have changed this automatically, as easy as that. Okay, so you can choose to change the color. So this is just the basic customization and you will save it. Once you're okay with that, you save it and you can move to the next. So it's just that easy. You can go on and do all the customizations based on what you really want. Another important aspect I want to show us before I leave this window is to add a page. This is just a single page. Some other websites, I think if you go to my website, easy.com, you see that it have other pages. Okay, you have other pages for other things. So if you want to add pages, so what you do is to click here, create a page. So once you click to create a page, it will ask you the title of the page. Let's say services. Here you add services. It will add everything. If you have an image to add, okay, to optimize your SEO, if you have a description about it, you can write it. Okay, once okay, you just click on okay, and it will save and add an extra page to your work. Okay, once you go back, we're not done. Okay, we have added it. So we added that page now. So automatically once you're done, that page will be added. Okay, so let's say now we are okay and we want to publish the website. You can click on publish. Although they have some basic plans which you can choose from, okay, with the link I've dropped below, or you can contact me for that with subsidized rates. You can do that. It's not that much. Okay, once you're done with that, you now have a customized one. But if you don't want to have it customized, you can choose to go with the website they will give you on your dashboard. Okay, you can choose to go with that one they will give you on your dashboard, or you just click on go to website. So you can see the website now. Okay, to get a customized domain, I dropped some link under it. You can choose to get a customized domain, like this one is customized, a customized domain, easy.com, where people can just see you directly. But this one is not customized, but you can still do that if you have the fund to do that. Okay, so we have finished the first part, which is one of the important parts. Okay, and the next part is to start writing blogs. Okay, you now have to write blogs on digital marketing so that it can attract new visitors to come and visit your blog and know what your blog is all about. Okay, to do that now, don't worry, it's a very easy. You might be wondering how you can be writing this blog day by day. That's why I said you need two basic websites, which is this one and ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will help you achieve this. Okay, you don't have to stress yourself, but I'm just to give you some guidelines on what and what not to do. Okay, let's say your website is on digital marketing and you want to write a blog on it. You simply use a Google Trend, type Google Trend, so it can show you what is trending on the digital marketing space. Okay, so once it's open, you go to trending now. Okay, this is trending now in my country, but you can choose to change the country. Okay, this is what is trending now. See, this one has some 1000 plus, this one 50,000 plus. This one is trending now. This is in this country, but you can choose to change a country specific to you, or you can go from different countries. For example, let's say we want to go with Canada. You click on it, automatically it will redirect to Canada and show you search volumes. You see this on 10,000 plus, and this has just happened 4 hours ago. Okay, so you can just click on it and pick it up. Okay, or you can decide to use trending search trends. Okay, search trend will also give you what is really happening, and this is in all category. You can choose to go with a particular category. Okay, now we have this four 1 2 3 4 5 6, this six basic category: business, entertainment, health, science, tech and sports, and top stories. So let's go with tech. Okay, and see what is really trending. Okay, these are some of the things trending, so you can look for the best one. Like I've given you two options based on a daily search trend and real-time search, so you can just pick one and actually know what is really happening. Or you can also choose to go with the business part. It's also part of digital marketing business. Okay, so you go with this one. Okay, let's try this one. So what I do is copy this is the search trend. This is also copied, but what you do is to open your notepad. Okay, let's scroll down and you paste this here, then you copy. This is the main international law enforcement size dark web market. So you go back to ChatGPT and you ask it to write a, you hit your enter, it will start writing about this. Okay, it has given you automatically, saved you a lot of time and energy. Okay, once this is done, let me pause this and come back. Okay, it has finished writing. Okay, want to confirm it, this is up to 500. Okay, so we can go and copy it. Let's copy this. Okay, click on copy, then go to this website morefreetools.com, morefreetools.com, and use the word counter. Now you want to use it to confirm if the what was written by ChatGPT was up to 500. Okay, so you paste it and you ask it to count. Yeah, you see it's giving us 519, so we are in order. So what you do is to copy this and do editing on your own. Okay, you can either use ask ChatGPT if this is plagiarized, or you can also use this website to morefreetools.com to check for plagiarism. You can click here, plagiarism checker. It's a free, by the way, it's a free tool, and you paste it here and check if all the information written there are plagiarizing free. Okay, this video is getting too longer than I expected. So once that is done, now you come back to your website and you start writing, adding blocks to it. Okay, so as you're adding it, you you add subsequent block and check on the trending information. Once you check on the trending information, you write a blog on it, and automatically your step by step your blog will start getting views and start getting volumes, search volumes, and automatically you can apply for AdSense and you see it will be uploaded within minutes and you start making money. So we continue with other series. Like I have said in this video, thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my channel if you've learned anything from this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that when next I post videos centered around making money, digital marketing, and all around, you will be able to get it. Until then, see you.